Hello, my name is Diana Marcela. I am studying risk management, safety, and health at work in the University Militar Nueva Granada. I'm 36 years old. I was born in the Dorada Caldas. Currently live in Tunja, Boyacá. Tunja is a small city and quiet and very cold. Um, I am a kind person. Um, Helpful, very calm. My favorite food is chocolate. I like to watch movie with my family and relax on my day off without doing anything. What else can I tell you about myself or my family? I am married. My husband is a police officer in the city of Tunja. We had been married for 14 years now. We have two daughters. One is 4 years old and the other is 12 years old. I love them. No more. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.